So if I jump over to app.hyperliquid.com, coming into the trade area allows you to see and understand that you have the ability to trade perps in a decentralized fashion. They have used and continue to use Arbitrum as a bridge over, so it is compatible with EVM wallets, just like MetaMask, Rabi, Backpack, many, many more, etc. You do need to have a self-custody wallet to connect here in order to trade these perps, but it has been seeing significant increase in flows, volume, and liquidity flowing into their layer 1 over the past number of months. And the price action beginning to reflect that, because we've seen it move from $9.60 at these lows all the way up to $34 where we're at today. And we did get as high as $39.88. We found resistance just under this $40 mark. And it looks like, again, we can't say for certain, but it looks like we're forming a little bit of a bullish pennant here, potentially getting ready for another move to the upside. I think some of that will be predicated on what Bitcoin does over the coming weeks, but this pattern looking pretty nice for Hyperliquid. And there's a lot of stuff happening behind the scenes. If I jump over to DeFi Llama very quickly, looking at the Hyperliquid Layer 1, just like I was saying, Hyperliquid has kind of created its own new category because they are a decentralized perp dex, but they've also built their own perp dex on top of their own Layer 1. Now, the Layer 1 isn't very decentralized. It continues to increase the number of validators. I think they've gone from 4 to 30 validators over the past couple of months. And so there's an argument to be made that it is not extremely decentralized, at least as of yet. I'm sure they will continue to work on that. But what I'm more interested in seeing and understanding is look at the flow of volume here and new liquidity coming in terms of TVL onto the Hyperliquid Layer 1. Again, you've got a whole bunch of different protocols here, obviously Hyperliquid being the main protocol as a perp dex on their own Layer 1, but you've got other lend borrow protocols like Hyperlend, you've got Felix, HyperFi, Morpho's compatible with the Hyperliquid Layer 1 chain now as well. So all of these different protocols that are building on top of the Hyperliquid Layer 1 have seen significant increases in the TVL, or are contributing to significant increases in the TVL across the Hyperliquid Layer 1 since the beginning of April. Just look at how parabolic this is moving in terms of TVL on the Hyperliquid Layer 1. And if we look over here on this Dune dashboard, we can see the cumulative all-time flows into the Hyperliquid chain being $3.4 billion US dollars. So we're currently sitting at 1.56 billion in TVL across the Hyperliquid Layer 1 at this moment in time. On the perp dex itself,